Good people, I'm back again with another video. Keeping the Air Max 95 wave going. Before I get into it quickly, I just want to say, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, put the bell notification icon on, tell your friends, bruv, watch the video, watch it again and again and again. Go onto my channel, press play all, just watch it all day. Thank you. So we're keeping the MX 95 wave going. This one actually I saw, they came out quite a while ago. Not quite a while ago, but a few months ago. I just knew they were going to go on sale because I'm not paying full price for these, not going to lie. I really hate paying full price if we're honest. So these ones I knew were going to go on sale. Quite happy I got them cheaper because I wouldn't pay the full price, which is 170 quid. Let's just get into it, people, man. So one thing I gotta say, I don't like the box. I'm not happy with the box. This is just a standard Air Max 95 box. Other trainers or special edition trainers should come in better boxes than just a plain old normal box. That's negative feedback one. So it's the Ndstrkt AM95 Air Max 95. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. I don't even know if you're meant to pronounce that or whatever. No Ndstrkt or something like that. I don't know, I don't care. Whoops, better not knock that over. So it's a colorway. They were both nice colorways. One was triple black, one was this neon one. I couldn't get the OG neons on a raffle, which I'm pissed off about. The shoe game has actually gone to shit and it's pissing me off. But that's a rant for another day. Let's just get into this, man. I got these ones just as like, okay, I couldn't get the original, so I had to get these. Boom. So these are actually mad. Like, they are wild. I'm not gonna lie. So we got the Ndstrkt. I'm just gonna call them the neons, the new neons. The new neons. So quickly going through it. Green sole, a different upgraded sole. So this is like a winter sole, so it grips it. Green neon bubbles all around. You know, all on the other side, as you do. A very different upper as compared to the normal Air Max 95s. So it's got like this stiff shell type thing there, stiff shell type thing all the way to the back. Just kind of covering the trainer, stiff shell again. With the little green neon Nike tick. It's got an upgraded like winter type mesh, so I think that is waterproof. It looks waterproof, it's very durable. I think this whole thing is meant to be like winter, durable, blah blah blah. It's got all the pull tabs there. You can actually see them going to the bottom. On Air Max 95s, normally you don't see them going to the bottom because it's covered up. At least you can actually see two of them. So it's got the strips. They are reflective, of course. And then on the other side as well, you can see two. I don't know if I'm 100% liking it or not. I don't know, man. And then it's got the white mesh tongue with the classic Air Max logo. And I actually do like these laces because they are plastic tips, which is always good on a lace. Inside, you know, that green colorway. Same on the other side, same way. And as always, the back tab thing or the back heel is the reflective one. So all in all, I really do like these trainers. They're quite different. Just gonna style them with a grey tracksuit, to be honest. Plain grey tracksuit, I think they'll pop quite well. People do wear them with jeans, etc. I want to get the old school ones, more for jeans, but I don't really wear Air Maxes with jeans, if I'm honest. That's more like high-end trainers, etc. So these are just, one day I'm going to show you like my tracksuit collection so you can see how many tracksuits I actually have. Yeah, so don't really have too much more to say. Oh yeah, I forgot to go through this bit. It's got little slits or something, and they are reflective, I believe. It looks like the face of a Bugatti, actually. You know, the eyes or the lights of a Bugatti. Yeah, man. I don't know. I would rather have the OG version. These are a bit wild. I definitely am not happy with the box. People might think it's not that deep, but it is £170 trainers, man. That is a lot of money if we actually think about it. For a pair of Nikes, we're not even getting a nice box. They're not the best. They're just okay. Could be much better, but you know, and we know what they did. They just took an old school colorway and they just put a bit of plastic whatever on it, made it winter rugged, etc. Um, I think for winter they could have just made it black tongue or black laces, black all of that. That would look quite cool, seeing like a black neon. That would be quite fun. Would I buy other pairs if they made other pairs like this colorway? No. This design, so the Ndstrkt. Nah, not buying it. Not gonna lie. Even these, I don't know why I bought. Apart from the fact that they're really cheap on sale, so under 100 quid. I can't remember the actual price. So that's the only reason I grabbed them, just to add them to the collection, to show you guys what they look like, show you guys what they look like on foot, and if you guys like them, you can buy them. But yeah, styling wise, great tracksuits, and that's about it. I don't really have too much more to say about these. Maybe I'll do a comparison video of these versus a normal pair of Air Max 95s. But for now, that's all from me. So take care, people. And as always, on foot video to follow. Don't forget that. So just wait a few seconds and the on foot video will follow. Take care, people.